Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, you have to tap on the blue button, then you have to select preferred language. Let's select, for example, English, and tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now. Then you can connect to the mobile network, but if you don't have any SIM card on you, you can just skip this step for now and connect SIM card later. Then you have to agree with end user license agreement. Tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. And you can copy apps and data from your previous device, or you can just skip this step and set up your device as new. Then you can set up this application Smart Switch to back up your data from your previous phone, but you can also do this later. Then you have to set up your date and time. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them. If you don't want them, you have an opportunity to disable them right now, like me. But in any case, you will have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your phone protection. It could be face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, password. Or you can just skip this step for now and do this later in settings. Then you can log in into your Samsung account. You can create one if you don't have, but you can also skip this step for now and connect to the Samsung account anytime later. And that's it. Now your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.